Welcome to How2Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your Auger drive chain on a MacDon header. If you're in the middle of harvest, I recommend changing it with a master link chain. But if you have time, I'm going to show you the right way to change it with a non-master link chain. What I like to do to start is extend the combine adapter away from the header. That'll give you a lot more room to work in there. Remove this bump stop and the 2 bolts. Remove all the bolts holding the plastic around the chain. And then fully loosen the sprocket tensioner. Once you have everything out of the way, go ahead and lift up the sprocket, and then we're going to tighten it up to get it out of our way. Grab a 2x4 and prop up the feeder drum. And then remove these 2 large nuts on the back side. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the sprocket. This sprocket is showing a little bit of wear and the teeth are starting to bend slightly, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. To remove the chain, we're going to have to push the drum forward. Here's the old chain versus the new chain. Now we're going to install the new chain onto the drum. To gain a little bit more room, I'm going to have to remove this upper sprocket. Now we're going to install the new sprocket. Add some grease onto the splines. And if you're at this point and you can't get the sprocket to slide on there, there's not much clearance between the chain and the drum. So I'm going to show you how to gain a little bit more access to get that on there. If you got it on there, make sure to put these bolts in and tighten them up. So they're being so tight in this area right here, sometimes what you have to do is go to the right side and remove these 2 bolts and slide the whole drum forward. And then you're going to come along it to the right or left if you're looking at it from this direction. And that will move the feeder chain just enough so you can get that sprocket and chain on. Go ahead and blue Loctite the bolt that holds on the sprocket. Install the upper adjusting sprocket. To adjust the chain, we're going to rotate the auger in reverse to take up slack in the chain. Tighten down the thumb screw until it's tight, and then we're going to back off 1.5 turns. With the chain properly tightened and everything reassembled, go ahead and put all the plastic back on. And with that, you're ready to get back into the field. Thanks for watching How2Mechanics. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.